For mothers who are on a pregnancy program, saffron may be familiar. Many couples who are undergoing a pregnancy program rely on this intake. Saffron, scientifically known as crocus sativus, the reddish-orange pollen threads of the saffron flower. Usually, it is widely used to add flavor to various dishes in several countries. Apart from this, the benefits of saffron for pregnancy programs are also beyond doubt. Many studies prove the good effects of saffron for mothers who are pregnant, as quoted from the NDTV page. Saffron is one of the most expensive spices used in Ayurveda. Saffron is known to have antioxidants that can increase immunity and has anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. Since centuries, this plant extract has been known for its amazing aphrodisiac properties. Saffron can also naturally increase sexual vitality in both men and women. In fact, saffron has also been used to treat erectile dysfunction associated with increasing age. Because saffron has strong aphrodisiac properties, which can help increase androgen levels in women. Adding saffron to your diet can have miraculous health benefits. But remember, just consume it in moderation, mother. Apart from that, saffron is also a superfood because it increases immunity and strength. Research also proves that saffron is effective in treating infertility. Saffron is known to increase libido in men and women. It is important for couples who struggle with infertility to consume saffron to increase their chances of conception. I highly recommend that couples take the benefits of saffron for pregnancy. However, I remind you not to consume it excessively, namely no more than 1.25 grams a day to get the expected benefits. So, Mom and Dad, are you interested in trying it? Good luck!